Good morning, it's Thursday, May 15th, and you're watching AGORACOM TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, as you all know, it's earnings season, so I've got 4 great press releases all about earnings. They're all from the U.S. side. I have no Canadian stories to report on this morning. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Top story I have for you, Dragon Pharmaceuticals trades on the OTC under the symbol DRG, very appropriate, drug on the OTC. They also trade on the TSX under the symbol DDD. As I had mentioned at the beginning of the show, we are reporting on earnings, and Dragon Pharmaceuticals did not disappoint. We're reporting on their first quarter 2008 financials. We've got sales increase of 112% to $36 million. It's up from $17 million for the same period of 2007. Gross profits increased 65% to $6.17 million compared to $3.75 million for the same period last year. Net income is up a staggering 131% to $2 million, which is up from $850,000 from the previous year. And net cash generated from operating activities increased to $3.97 million from $640,000 for the same period last year. A little bit about Dragon Pharmaceuticals. They are a manufacturer and distributor of a broad line of high-quality antibiotic products. They're last at 79 cents off their 52-week high of $1.35. Moving on, Advant-E Corp trades on the OTC under the symbol AVEE. The corporation announced their first quarter 2008 results. For the first quarter of 2008, the company reported revenues of $2.3 million, which is a 66% increase over revenues of $1.4 million for the same quarter in 2007. Net income for the first quarter of 2008 was $264,000 or 4 cents per share, which is a 100% increase over the net income of $131,000 for the same period in 2007. A little bit about Advant-E Corp. They're a provider of internet-based electronic data exchange and electronic document management software and services. What does that mean? The company helps businesses automate manual, paper-intensive processes. They're last at $1.95 off their 52-week high of $2.74. Southwall Technologies, Inc., once again, OTCBB, under the symbol SWTX, once again, first quarter results. They've announced that they had revenues of $10.6 million, which is up 21% from the fourth quarter of 2007 and up approximately 1% from the first quarter of 2007. What do we have here? Net income increased to $2 million or 6 cents per fully diluted share compared to net income of $200,000 for the same period last year. First quarter 2008 gross margins increased to 46% of sales from 42% in the first quarter of 2007. A little bit about Southwall Technologies. They're a developer and manufacturer of high-performance, energy-savings films and glass products that improve the energy efficiency of architectural and automotive glass. And clients include Audi, BMW, Daimler Chrysler, and a whole bunch of other big brand names. They're last at 85 cents off their 52-week high of $1.30. Last but not least, final one I have for you, Orsus Xelent Technologies trades on the AMEX under the symbol ORS, once again reporting on Q1 revenues. Their revenues for Q1 were $20,700,000, which is up approximately 3.5% from revenues of $20 million in the same period a year earlier. Net income, however, for the first quarter ended March 31st grew nearly 45% to $1.9 million, which is up from $1.247 million. So even though we've got a slight increase in revenues, we have a significant increase in their net income. The company has also reiterated full-year guidance for more than 50% growth in net income on anticipated sales growth of more than 30%. So great numbers coming out of the company. What does this company do? They're incorporated in the state of Delaware, but they are headquarters in Beijing, China. As you know, we love the Chinese plays. Xelent Technologies is an emerging designer and manufacturer of award-winning mobile phones for the Asian market, primarily the People's Republic of China. They're last at $2.63 off their 52-week high of $7.95. That's it for press releases. Moving on to our next segment, stock halts of the day. First one I have for you, Linear Metals Corp trades on the TSX under the symbol LRM. They've been halted pending news. Next one, Corp Mining Inc. trades on the TSX under the symbol CCJ. They've been halted pending news. And that's a wrap for today. I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kondakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.